Do you want to make your Canva designs look unique with fonts that match your own style? In this video, I'll show you how to upload and use custom fonts inside Canva. Now, before we get started, keep in mind that custom font uploads are only available to Canva Pro users. If you're on the free plan, you won't see this option. But Canva does offer a free trial, so you can test it out if you'd like. The first thing you need to do is download a font you want to use. There are plenty of websites that offer free and paid fonts. One example is dayfont.com. Once you find a font you like, download it to your computer. Most fonts will come as a zip file, so you'll need to extract it first. On most computers, you can just double-click or right-click and choose Extract. Inside, you'll see the actual font files, usually ending in .tf or .otf. Now, head over to Canva and open any design project. Tap on the text box to edit text, and then open the font menu. At the very top of the list, you'll see an option that says Upload a font. Click on that, then browse your computer and select the font file you just extracted. Canva will ask if you have the right to use this font legally. Click Yes, and Canva will upload it into your account. Once uploaded, you can search for the font by name in your font list and use it just like any of the default fonts. For example, if you uploaded a font called Aurora, just type Aurora in the search bar and apply it to your text. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom font to Canva and can now design with your own unique style. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and give the video a like, subscribe for more easy Canva tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching and happy designing.